Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the Dolphin dance. A super popular TikTok dance move that is used in almost all TikTok dances. Now, anyone can learn this dance move if they just have the right technique. So let me just break it down for you. Basically, you're just doing two things. Your hip is doing this, and then you're doing jump, 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 and together it's gonna be jump, 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 jump. All right, let me explain. The first thing you wanna do is bend your knees slightly, yeah? Because if your legs are straight, you can't really throw it back that much, yeah? So if you bend it slightly, you can arch your back a bit more to exaggerate the effect, right? So, bend your knees a bit, then you wanna go shoot your hips to the front, back, front, back, front, back. Yeah, just practice this a couple of times. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, the second thing we're gonna practice is the jump, yeah? So you wanna lean a bit forward like this, and then you wanna bend your knees slightly. You can bring your arms up if you want to, however you want, and then you just say jump, 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 jump. Pretty easy, right? All right, now let's try and combine those two things. We just want to break down into 3 steps, yeah? So the first step is just bend your knees, yeah? So you're prepping for the jump. Now you want to say shoot your hips to the front, yeah? And now you want to do the jump and throw your hip back. Yeah, notice how my legs are not completely straight, slightly bent, yeah? And then from here, you just repeat. So you go bend, yeah, notice how here I'm going down, and then I'm going shoot hip, and then I'm going jump back. All right, and then I repeat, down, hip, jump back, down, hip, jump back, down, hip, jump back. And then once you practice it over and over, you can kind of do it a more smooth, yeah? So you're kind of doing a wave up here, A, 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 and then you can bring your arms up. Hey, okay guys, so that's basically how you do the Dolphin dance on TikTok. Now you just need to practice it over and over again, all right? Remember to follow those steps, break it down, practice it slow until you get it, and then you can practice faster, faster, and faster. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.